In Ayodhya, nearly 6 years after the Supreme Court's landmark verdict in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case, a new controversy has surfaced. The proposed mosque in Dhanyapur, meant to fulfill the apex court's directive, has run into a bureaucratic wall. An RTI reply has now revealed that the Ayodhya Development Authority has rejected the layout plan submitted for the mosque. Here's what we know. In November 2019, the Supreme Court gave its final judgment in the decades-old Ayodhya title dispute. The court awarded the disputed land to a trust for the construction of a Ram temple. And in a balancing act, it also directed the central and state governments to allot 5 acres of land to the Sunni Central Waqf Board to build a mosque elsewhere in Ayodhya. Following this, the Uttar Pradesh government allotted a 5-acre plot in Dhanyapur village just outside the main city. But now, more than 5 years later, the mosque plan has not moved beyond paperwork. The reason? No objection certificates from government departments were never submitted. Fire department noted that the roads leading to the proposed mosque site are too narrow. An approach road of at least 12 meters was required, but in reality, the available roads are just 4 to 6 meters wide. Other NOCs from departments like Civil Aviation, Pollution Control Board, Public Works and Irrigation were also not submitted or approved. Despite the trust paying the required fees of nearly 4 lakh, the layout has remained in limbo since June 2021 when the plan was first submitted. The Supreme Court's judgment was intended to bring closure to a long-standing dispute. While the construction of a Ram temple is progressing rapidly and nearing completion, the corresponding mosque project has barely begun. The delay has sparked concerns within the community and raised questions about the implementation of the court's directives. As the Mosque Trust regroups to chart its next steps, the larger question remains: how long will it take for the promise of legal balance to translate into action on the ground? In Ayodhya, bricks have been laid for the temple, but for the mosque, it's still just plans on paper. For more updates, keep watching the News Point.